Why is no one in myEcon talking about this? I don't know, but this is one of the best features that you need to know about with myEcon and their travel membership. What is up, my friends? DK here. Welcome to the channel. Good to have you here. If you're new to the channel or just checking out myEcon, just checking out ways to make money online, do me a favor, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Also, smash that bell icon so you get notified anytime I upload new content to the channel. You will be the first to know. Now, do yourself a favor, make sure you watch this video all the way through, get all the information here, because anytime I find a little hidden gem inside of myEcon, their main membership, any of their products or services that they have to save you money, and especially when it comes to travel, the travel site is a can of worms that, man, once you open it up, you start finding so many cool things that you could do with the travel, like the savings portals, like certain functions that I've showed you guys how to do, like their Airbnb, which is also known as Weeks, things that you could do to save massive amounts of money. I've showed you these in lots of other videos. In this one, I want to talk about, I mean, even myEcon in their corporate presentation is not talking about this feature. And in my opinion here, my humble opinion from using multiple different travel sites, being part of other, network marketing opportunities, affiliate marketing opportunities, this one here is something that should not be left out. It should be talked about more. And I'll even show you, let me go over to, this is myEcon's corporate presentation right here. And you can see, there's some great things they have in here, right? They have save up to 70%. You get the 110% price match guarantee. You earn points when you travel, but they're not talking about the giant elephant in the room, which is how you can make money giving away the travel site for free. Yeah. Like, you're like, wait, what? Huh? Hold on. So, yeah, you can literally let people create free accounts with the travel membership. So, let me swing back to the site here. You can let people, you can actually give away your travel membership for free. All right. You can let people create their own accounts for free. And when they book travel and they save any amount of money, you earn money. Why aren't people talking about this? Because this is something that, like, when you look at the corporate presentation, hey, big savings. Like, we all like saving on travel, right? And I've done these. As a matter of fact, I've done savings where I've shown you guys, hey, this is in one of my own personal presentations here. I went to go book a trip through Vedanta, which is, crazy 5-star high end resort down in Mexico, all over the world, whatever. I went through the myEcon travel site. And, if you go through Vedanta.com, $1,200 per night, which is crazy, not per trip, per night. And then you go over to our membership, the myEcon travel membership, and it's $320 a night. Like, that's just dumb, stupid, simple, amazing savings. And of course, you want to shout that out. And this is just realistically what the general public does not know. Most of the average general public doesn't know. Now, if you're watching this video, you got a little inside scoop here. You can be like, oh man, these are. I mean, like this is no brainer savings. You could go to Vedanta's website and book a trip and get raked over the coals and pay huge margins, huge markups, or you could use our travel membership for the same exact hotel, the same exact room, and the same exact dates, and you could pay $320 a night versus $1,260 a night. I mean, it again, crazy, right? But and you can share this and let people create their free accounts and go, save massive amounts of money. So let's head on over here. We're going to open up the travel membership. And let me show you this little hidden tool that you have in here. Now, a lot of what I see people doing, or maybe what you should think about doing, what I see really good marketers doing, and success leaves clues here, guys, is a lot of people will use the travel membership as a lead magnet for their business. Lead magnet, total lead magnet, if you want to go check it out. And what I'm even going to do is I'm going to even leave you down below this video. Hopefully I remember what I'm editing. I'm going to leave you my travel membership sign up link. You can create a free account, just like I mentioned, and you can get in and you can surf around and you can check stuff out, right? So go ahead and do that. Now, here's where it gets cool, all right? There's this thing called Boomerang Rewards. Okay, so let me open this up. And this is what I mean. I think Um, I'll suggest this to the myEcon team. I've added it into my own personal presentation, so it's there now when I'm out there presenting the myEcon business. I've added this in. I think this is something that definitely needs to get added in. It definitely needs to get talked about. So you can go over to Boomerang Rewards, right? You open this up. I'll come back to the terms and conditions here in a second because I went down the rabbit hole because this is going to get really really cool. And that's why you always want to watch these videos all the way till the end so you get all the details, all the data, all the info, right? So you click on Boomerang Rewards, right? And this is where you can get your own link, right? You can invite people. You can certainly invite people. Hey, here, send them an email, whatever, if you want. And this, by the way, you can do this in any country around the world. I think it's like 150 countries around the world. You can copy your link right here. You can use this on social media, but here's where it gets cool. When you share your link, this right here. This is just not talked about enough. Okay. This, when you look at all the different perks, 70% off public prices, awesome. Earn points, redeem those points for free travel, awesome. 110% price match guarantee, awesome. All really awesome things with a travel membership. But this little gem right here, okay, check this out. When you hit learn more, what is 50% for you? What does that really mean? When you open this up, when you let people create their accounts, when you give out your travel membership and let people sign up and create free accounts, when they book travel through the travel membership, okay, whatever they save, you earn. Like, again, what? Why isn't anyone talking about this? Why? Because this is insane. So if you could literally use this as a lead magnet, you can post your travel membership on social media. You could create videos around it, like I'm doing here. There's so many different ways, so many different angles you have to market this. It's not just about you saving money. Like, you got to get past the fact that it's like, oh, hey, you're trying to save a buck when you travel. Cool. Yeah, you and your mom and everybody else, right? But like, you can earn significant amounts of money by giving away your travel membership for free. Like, people love free. Give it away for free. When people book, you make money, dude. Like, why aren't more people talking about this? I don't know. And it's right here. It's right, like it's like enough people aren't getting into the meat and potatoes of the travel membership and seeing all the different cool things that are inside here. Again, lots of other videos on that, the shopping center, gift cards, all that other stuff. So here's where it gets really cool because it says, you earn, someone saves $250, you earn $250. So you could turn around and you could use that towards travel, but you could use it towards like a lot of other things. So I went down the rabbit hole for you and I'm going to show it to you, right? Because of course, with anything that you do, there's always terms and conditions. There's always like, maybe there's like some loopholes or whatever. So I went down, I clicked on, terms and conditions. I went to this little doodad here. I read that. I clicked on this little doodad here. I finally got to, okay, when you earn those reward credits, what can you redeem them for? Check this out. Okay. So you can reward credits can be used to purchase the following stuff: hotels, weekly stays. That's what I was talking about, the weeks, right? That's like your Airbnbs, right? But it's just a different name for it inside here. But that's like you're booking Airbnbs. You can use that. Bonus weeks, worldwide tours, cruises, car rentals, activities. If you want to book tours and stuff like that. You ready for this? Golf tee times. Did you know? You can book golf outings through the travel membership? Did you even know that? Probably not. Yes, you can, my friend. And you can reserve golf tee times with your rewards credits that you're earning from sharing your travel link and letting people sign up for free and letting people book travel. Freaking awesome. Oh, by the way, you can also redeem that for gift cards. You could literally turn around and you could buy gift cards with your points. You could buy wine, restaurant gift cards, flights. I mean, endless list of things that you could turn around and redeem your points for, which is really freaking awesome. So, I mean, again, this just needs to get talked about more. This is an actual, absolutely incredible perk that most people don't know about. Give away your travel membership for free. Let people sign up, get in there, save money, book travel. When they book travel, you earn money. I mean, it's pretty awesome. It's pretty awesome. So again, I think this needs to get added in. I think more people need to talk about this. I think more people need to know about this. So if you are looking for, I don't know, a lead magnet for your business, if you're looking for an advantage, something that you can get out there and share and give people real, actual value, this is a great way to do it. And it's win-win. It's going to help people save money. It's going to help you earn money. And then if people want to say, hey, man, I want to earn some money too. They can get started. They can go down the rabbit hole themselves. But straight up, guys, more people need to know about this. So wanted to show you this little hidden gem inside of the travel membership. And hopefully we can get more people talking about this because it's a pretty awesome feature inside of the myEcon travel membership. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are looking for more content like this, or you're looking to, maybe make money, you're looking for ways to make money online, do yourself a favor, go ahead, smash that subscribe button. Also, hey, hit that bell icon so you get notified first anytime I upload new content here to my channel. If you're ready to get started, more information, all that sort of good stuff, links in the description down below. And if you want to see how my team and I literally give you over $11,000 in free value, sales funnels, email autoresponders, apps, content, everything you need to get out there and start building and growing your myEcon business, I'll leave an end card right here at the end of the screen. Click on that. Go ahead. Go check out my full overview and tutorial. See what's up, how we do what we do. Links in the description down below, or just tap on that end card you see on your screen right now. And I appreciate you watching, my friend. You're awesome. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.